Amers TV, we are the future.
Hi, I'm Amr, and today I'll be telling you about floods. So first we have to ask ourselves, what is a flood? Well, I'm here to tell you. A flood is an overflow of water that's normally on dry land. Now we know what a flood is, but now we have to know, why does a flood happen? I got all the answers. A flood happens when there's too much water in one space, and three major water flood sources are 1, an ocean, 2, a river, and 3, a lake. So picture this. There's a lake in the middle of a town, and connected to that lake, there's a river. And that river keeps giving the lake more and more and more water until the lake can't maintain all that water, then it starts to flood. But now you might be asking, I always see rain come down. Why does it gather up into a flood normally? That's because the ground acts as a big sponge. It soaks up all the water. But sometimes rain gathers up together into a puddle, but that puddle is slowly absorbed by the ground. Here is an experiment to show you what I mean. Here's a sponge. Pretend the sponge is the ground. Pretend this water is going to be the flood. The sponge can soak up most of the water, but then it can't take it anymore and starts to drip. And water soon is everywhere, and the ground is all smushy and squishy. That's what's mud.
We'll be back after this ad.
Chicken, cheese and macaroni.
And we're back.
Bangladesh is the most flood-prone city in the world. And one characteristic of a flood is that, number 1, it's drownable. Very dangerous. Number 2, it's wet and drenched. And number 3, it's destructive. So destructive that once in China in the 1900s, there was a massive flood that wiped out half the population in China. 2 million people to 4 million people. That's a lot. You better watch out of them. They're like tiny pools that grow so fast out of nowhere. And some areas like Bangladesh are flood prone, right? So they're prepared for this. They have flood bases so they can go there when a flood is occurring. But some other people, they have a box that's full of everything they need, like, let's say, lights, food, water, and everything they need to survive during a flood. This has been my report on floods. I hope you enjoyed it, because I better start swimming.